Do you want to learn how to use image generator in Paint to create AI art in Windows 11? I'll show you how. First, in Windows, click on the Start button and then open up Paint. Here you can press and hold Control and scroll in and out with your middle mouse button. Now on the top bar, you will find this image creator. We are going to click this. It's going to have this pop up on the right hand side, which says Image Creator Preview. Describe what you'd like to create. So I'm just going to type in a cat walking in the forest. And below this, you have choose a style. So click on this. So we're going to just select either photorealistic or digital art and then click on create. Every time you create an AI art, it's going to take in 1 credit from your total credits. So I had 50 when I started it. Currently I have 46, but every time you generate a image over here, it's going to take 1 credit from this total balance. So I had 47 here. It deducted 1, so it's 46 now. And I've got these 3 variants. Let's take a look at them. I think this one is the best one. This looks fine. I can move around this and place it. One thing I found that you cannot generate an image that is in different formats like 16:9 or another size format. It just generates an image which is in a square format. Now you're stuck with this. You can either use another AI generator to extend the scene by using another AI generator like Canva or Leonardo AI or something else. Click somewhere else and it's going to deselect this. And this is our image here. Select these and drag it. Now our image is set. Now we need to export this. I will export it and then go into Canva. Inside Canva, you need to create a new design. So on the top right, you need to click on custom size. Click on this 1920 by 1080. Now click on this upload file and upload that image that we got. Click it and insert it inside the canvas. Drag it to adjust it. Now to expand it, on the top bar, we will have this edit image. Click on it. Inside the Magic Studio, below it, you will find Magic Expand. Click on this and you can use this whole page and Magic Expand. Now you've got these options. You can click either of these. I think this looks the best. So done. Now inside the Canva, you can also upscale the image for free. So click it. So go to edit image and image upscaler. Image upscaler resolution 2x and then upscale the image. And now look at this. The image has been upscaled using the free upscaler by Canva and it looks much better compared to the previous version. And now you can go to share and download it and then you can use it in your videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found the video helpful.